Hello YouTubers, today's gossip is all about the HDMI cable for PS4. So the wait is over and we are here to recommend you the best HDMI cable for your PS4. I am sure the last thing anyone ever thinks about when setting their perfect gaming setup is what kind of HDMI cable to use. But keep in mind, not all the HDMI cables are created equal. But getting the best HDMI cable for gaming will ensure you get the most of your graphics card and screen. Whether you are a casual gamer or a professional player, you will definitely need a good HDMI cable that can provide the best viewing experience. All HDMI cables may look similar, but it's important to locate the best quality products to experience the true potential of gaming on PC. Amazon has its own range of low-price technology accessories, including a smart price HDMI. The Amazon Basics HDMI comes in length up to 10.6 meters, and the design appears to scale up a little as it provides a higher length. This cable does everything you need, as it delivers 4K connection between your gaming setup and your display, for a ridiculously low price with a wide range of sizes. Belkin is one of the first cables to be primed for HDMI 2.1 and designed to wave in 10K resolution video. The Belkin cable can handle up to 48 gigabits per second video bandwidth. Which today's consoles can't even get close to. Belkin is the best cable for future-proofing with high specifications. It provides an excellent refresh rate and insane transfer speeds of 48 gigabits per second, which makes it perfect choice for you. Cable Matters is the best cable for wall-mounted 4K Ultra HD TV, ceiling-mounted projector, and comes to rescue when your gaming setup and TV monitor are placed at a far distance. The cable features a lightweight and flexible design with gold-plated connectors that reduce interference and boost the signal over longer distances. It is a platinum-rated HDMI cable for in-wall installation, including air ducts, and exceeds most building code requirements for home and commercial spaces. In short, the cable supports HDMI 2.0 specifications to deliver exceptionally smooth visuals with low latency on your 4K devices. BlueRigger 4K HDMI cable is worth trying out, as it offers a reliable and durable build with triple shielding and 24K gold-plated full metal jacket connectors. BlueRigger cable is supplied with HDMI 2.0 specifications, therefore it can handle 4K videos with 60Hz 3D videos, ARC, 48-bit deep color, and built-in Ethernet. BlueRigger cable offers a multi-dimensional immersive audio experience with up to 32 discrete audio channels. It is a must-have HDMI cable for all PlayStations and Xbox owners. Mediabridge cable features a premium build with pure copper connectors, triple shielding, and gold-plated connectors that are sure to deliver an amazing sound and picture quality. This cable provides transfer speed up to 18 gigabits per second and supports 3D, ARC, HDR video, 48-bit deep color, and has an integrated Ethernet as well. It is the best affordable 4K HDMI cable for gaming that delivers high refresh rate visuals and comes in various length options. And in the end, while choosing the best HDMI cable for your PS4, make sure you are satisfied with your choice. The links of these products are mentioned in the description box below. Well, this was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know about your opinion in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe and we will be back soon with another video.